Thinking about granite garage floors but not loving the price tag or the install drama? You're not alone. Granite looks gorgeous and tough as nails, but it's also pricey, prone to cracking, and about as flexible in style as a concrete block. Good news. 2025 has brought some slick alternatives that look just as fancy, without draining your wallet or your patience. Lifetime green coatings, an eco-friendly, non-toxic, odorless superhero made from gypsum and castor oil. It's durable, easy to repair, and way easier on your lungs and the planet. Still love that speckled granite vibe? Epoxy with granite flakes is your go-to. Want a quicker cure and UV resistance? Polyaspartic coatings bring the shine. Fast. Fancy tiles or stained concrete more your thing? Yep, those are on the menu too. Bottom line, you've got options. And if you want luxury without the maintenance migraine, lifetime green coatings might just be your garage's new BFF.